There you go. Yes. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, only in shit. A couple casts. Got my first one here. Hope I got that on the GoPro first time. A little largemouth. Yeah, he was hungry. He hit it good. It's July 4th. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I usually fish here in the afternoon. It's my neighbor, or my friend of mine, his property, and lets me fish out here. This is just a little crawfish, power bait. About my third cast, I caught that sucker. He was hungry. I didn't think he was going to hit it. It got a little gunked up when I made the cast. Do some frogs out here. Frogs do really good too. Ooh, that's a good cast. Right there. All right. Do a couple more casts here and then I'll move. Ooh, that's a good one. Good cast. All this moss on here, you gotta stay on the top water because nothing gets under there with all this moss. It's hard to throw a worm. It's hard to throw a spinner bait. Never fished this early over here, so I'm not sure what the pattern is today. It's hot. It's already like 93 degrees. I usually get a hit right over here to the left. See where I'm pointing? Usually get something there. I had one take a frog there. That, I mean, he was aggressive. Spit it out though.